Sonia Auntie, and I'm here to tell you a story about Zizi the zebra and how she learns how to stop being sad. Zizi the zebra has a long face, but that's quite normal. You see, her face is always long because she's always sad. She feels sad when it doesn't rain and the flowers dry up. She also feels sad when it rains too much and the river overflows. She feels sad when the sun is too hot, but she also feels sad when it snows and it's too cold. Zizi is always sad. Oh, Zizi, her friends tell her, it's horrible to see your sad, long face all the time. It makes us all sad too. Why can't you just be a little cheerful? I can't help it, moans Zizi. I just feel so sad when I see all the things that are wrong. But there are so many things that are right too, exclaims Flutter the butterfly, who's always happy. When the sun shines, we can bask in it. When it snows, we can build a snowman. When it rains too much, we can make paper boats. What's there to be sad about? Oh, I don't know, replies Zizi gloomily. I just feel sad. Look at that flower. It's drooping so sadly. And a big tear rolls out of Zizi's eye. It's really not good for anyone to be sad all the time, says Whoops worriedly. He worries about everything. But this time, all the animals agree with him. We must think of something to make Zizi realize how much fun it is to be happy, says Prickles the porcupine, sounding very wise indeed. I have an idea, pipes up Snuffle the squirrel, jumping up and down. Listen to my idea. He whispers his idea to the other animals. They look at each other. It sounds like a very good idea, all right. Let's do it, they all exclaim together. That evening, Flutter goes to Zizi's house. Hello, Zizi, what are you up to? He says. Oh, nothing, answers Zizi sadly. My tap isn't working too well, and the window is broken too. Also, I found a hole in my tablecloth. It's so sad when things don't work. And Zizi's mouth turns down, and two big tears form at the corner of her eyes. Well, I have come to invite you to a happy tree party. Flutter gives her an invitation card. What's that? I've never heard of a happy tree party, Zizi asks dolefully. It's a party where we write down all the things that make us happy and we put them up on the happy tree. Then we read them out and feel happy again and have a yummy feast, explains Flutter, poking Zizi in the tummy to make her smile. But Zizi doesn't smile. She's too sad. Okay, I'll come, she sighs. But because there are so many sad things happening, I really don't know what I'll write. Oh, you just come along and see how much fun it'll be, Flutter says. See you tomorrow. The next day is bright and sunny. The animals have collected around the oak tree. There are lots of pieces of colored paper in a basket. The animals are all writing busily on them. Gigi the giraffe has the job of pinning the pieces of paper on the tree. Because of her long, long, long neck, she can reach the highest branch easily. Everyone writes what makes them happy. Everyone except Zizi. She cannot think of anything at all. Soon the tree is full of colored notes fluttering in the wind. It really is a happy tree. Now it's time to read the notes out. Gigi starts taking down the notes one by one and reading them aloud. A pot full of honey makes Bobo the bear happy, she reads out. Bobo does a happy little jig. Pretty red and yellow flowers make Flutter the butterfly happy, the next note says. Flutter flutters her wings happily. The bright sunshine makes Oof the snail happy. Gigi calls out next, and Oof gives a big beaming smile. A colorful rainbow makes Coco the chameleon happy, she calls out.